Hey man, what's good with y'all young entrepreneurs? Hey, it's Drell here, and I'm gonna be going over my Clickbank journey, bro. I'm so close to $1,000. Yesterday I made 700 in a day, so I know the $1,000 is coming soon. So stay tuned. Continue with me on this journey. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Like I said, I'm gonna be answering all the questions in the comment section on every video from now on. And let's get right into my journey, man.
Yes, sir. We back in my ClickBank journey, man. Hey, yesterday was a big day for me. It was my biggest day so far. I almost made $700, man. And if you've been watching my journey, you know the struggles I've had. You know the ups and downs I've had. You know everything, man. So you know this wasn't overnight. So don't think you can get here overnight. Well, you can. It's just don't expect it, man. But look, I'm gonna refresh the page so you know everything's legit and all that. Hmm, hmm, hmm. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and leave a like on this video and comment down below any questions you have. I'll be answering everybody's questions. Alright, so now I refreshed it. It's the same thing. So yesterday I made 691.81. And what's crazy is in the last week I made about $1,800. A little over $1,800 in the last week alone. So that's crazy to me. This has been my biggest week so far with Clickbank. This has been my biggest day so far with Clickbank. So I'm just trying to keep this momentum. I'm trying to get to $1,000 very soon. So hey, pray for me. Let's bow our heads. Pray that I get this $1,000 soon. I've been working for months on this. So leave any comments down below that you have. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. And be on the lookout for a tips and tricks video very soon.